Now we are done cleaning our data. We could save it like this. If you still remember, create a new chunk, save. The name of our data, the latest data file is cleaned data, and comma file equal the name we want in quotation mark. We can just call it the same, cleaned data dot RDA data. Don't forget the extension, and you just run the current chunk and it will be saved here. Cleaning the data RDA here, it is saved. All right, now you save your data. You can also save your file of code. You go ahead here, save current document, and go call it data cleaning and save. Okay, you see it changed also the name. Now we can just remove it or whatever. Can remove everything so that we can start marking. Let me copy this answer choices, correct answers, and just delete it. Okay, and you can just clean everything here so that we can start. Now let's go to marking. Our marker down. Yes, you can call it as you want, and it opens. You can just delete them and you just open what you want. The first thing you need is a chunk of necessary code, tidy, or just first run library, tidy verse. Probably since we need also to use mutation, we need another library called deploy, and you can learn them here. Another chunk is my correct answers here. Okay, and now let's go ahead and start our stuff. Marking. Okay, so but before this one, we needed to open our file we wanted to mark. Load data. Which data we want. So let's go to our files and open our data. We have saved it as the clean data.rdata. Where is it? This here. You have it here. Check if you have a right extension. Right, it says, do you want to load it? Yes, it is loaded here. It has 73 observations and 54 variables, as we had. And you can also use, this is one thing, if you open it, will come here. Let me show you another way to load it. If you clean it, when you click here, it opens. It's also run into the console. Then you can copy this link of your computer path and bring it here. So when you run it, it will come right here. If you click it, it will open. Okay. This is what we are going to mark. We are going to see if this student number 1 has provided a correct answer to a question number 1 in pretest, and so on. Now let's go to marking. We can call it marked data. Okay, then our current data file is cleaned data. We can pipe it and use mutation function, because we are going to change some columns. All right, inside the mutate, let's start with maybe pre1, the question number 1 in pretest. Okay, is equal to the function we are going to use is ifelse function. It opens the question number 1 double equals let's see, the correct answer would be on question 1 B. Okay, let's cut it so that we will not mix up, comma 1 score, comma and 0. What is this? We are going to we are telling the R software to check in a column called pre1 here, to check if the answer a student has provided is B. Then if so, give one score. You can provide 10 score, whatever you want. Give 1 score. If not, if he provided the wrong answer, give 0. So, for example, here, this one will be 1, this one will be 0, this one will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, like that. Okay. And we are telling the software that change the answers. So use the existing column. The column was pre1. We don't want to change. Okay, let's just start with this. Pre 1, 1, 1. Okay, let's create a new. Okay, 1, maybe new. A new column. So we are telling the software to give 1 score if a student in a column pre1, question 1 in pretest is B. If not, give 0. And create a column of that number of 1 and 0. Call it pre1 new. Okay, let's just try it first for a matter of checking. All right, as you can see, marked data has got another variable. It means we created a new column here. Can we go and check? Let's go check. I think it is behind. So the pre1 is still there. It still have B and Y. But when we extend, you see, we got a pre1 new column created that marked the answers in pre1. Let's check. So the student has provided B and it is correct. Let's see if the software has given him one score. Yes, given her one score. It's given him 0 score because the second student has provided the A, which is wrong answer, and so on. All right. Now you see. So let it just not create many columns. Let's just change the answers into the answer choices into scores. So we will need to replace the existing column so that we don't have many columns. Okay. If you use same name and hit the code, we still have same variable. Means if you go to check on pre, have changed and just provided the scores. All right. That's why we need different column. If you want original file, you will just refer to clean data. And if you want just scores, you will just need to see and look into marked data file. Okay, now after that, we can add a second question. You just go ahead and put comma and go down. Okay, it's a pre2. It's a pre2 equals if else open parentheses. It's a pre2. Yes, double equals. Then the answer is here is A. Cut it and bring it here. Give one score or 0 if not correct. Okay. Continue. Pre3 equals if else. Okay. Pre3 double equals. Correct answer is C. Cut it and put it there. Give one score if true or 0 if wrong. Continue. Pre4 if else okay, pre4 double equals quotation mark. Correct answer is B. Okay, and give one score or 0. Next, what is it? Pre5 equals if else. Okay, pre5 double equals quotation mark. Correct answer is D. Cut it, put here, give one score or 0. Go ahead. Next one will be pre6 equal if else. Pre6 All right, double equal, quotation mark, correct answer will be A. Cut it, put it here, give one score or 0, and so on. All right, so now I'm going to copy this one and use there so that we go fast. Just edit 12, 18, and 24. Okay, now I come here just to edit. This one will be 7, and this one will be 7, and the answer will be C, where you see the place. Okay, and the 8 here will be B, and the 8, and 8. Okay, next answer will be B. Where are we here? Yes, it's 9, 9 here. Next answer will be C. Here, 10, 10, and the answer. Right. Next answer will be A. Here, and 11. Next answer will be A. Okay. Yes, it is A. 12. 12. Next answer will be C. And the question is 13. Yes. Next answer will be A. And it is A. And 14. 14. Next answer will be B. B here. 15. 15. Yes. Next answer will be D. Okay. Okay, here. And question 16. 16. Okay, next question will be B. B. And 17. 17. Next question will be C. And the question is 18. Call it 18 again. Next question will be C. Here. And 19. 19. Okay. Next question will be B, correct answer. And it is 20. Right, next question will be C. Yes, it is C, 21 and 21. Next question will be B. Yes, it is B, 22. 22. Next question will be A. And 23. And 23. And the next question will be 24. 24. And the answer is A. Okay. All right. Wow. Now you can remove this comma and just run the code. Perfect. Very quick. Date check. You can see all answers under pretest have been marked. Now let's go ahead and mark post test. Okay, now what we can do, we can just copy the code again here, copy, put comma here, enter down, then copy them here. All right, so the answer choice for pretest are the same for post test. So we are going to change just name. Here is post. Here is post. Here will be post, 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 and the post. We can again come here, change post, 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 post. We can still or just find and replace. It is easy, but I just go through step by step so that you can see easily. So the last one doesn't have a comma and it open the parenthesis. How can you count these parentheses? You have this first parenthesis and the second parenthesis. Second parenthesis is closed. So this one, the first one is the one closed at the end. Okay. All right. Now hit and run this code. Oh, it's done. So you can go check everything has been changed to 1 and 0. So this file is just marked file. So we have given a score for each question answered correctly and assigned 1 score and 0 otherwise. All right, you can come here and save the file. Save. Which one? It is called marked data. Which file? File is can still be marked data. Okay, extension RDA or R data. Okay, now control enter. So we have saved it. Marked data is here, down here. All right, in next episode we are going to see how to calculate means.